ready to become a Dynamics 365 sales expert? Welcome to Microsoft's Dynamics 365 Sales, a platform streamlining your sales operations. We'll explore its features, from managing customer accounts to optimizing business strategies and Zoom integration. Enhance your skills to navigate the platform, maximize its functionalities to simplify your sales process, and boost your performance. Welcome to our comprehensive guide, where we'll delve into every feature of this powerful platform, from account management to Zoom integration. Picture this, a tool that's not just a tool, but a game changer in the world of sales. It's Dynamics 365 Sales, a revolutionary fusion of technology and innovation, surpassing regular CRM capabilities, offering a mix robust CRM functionalities and advanced analytics, created with modern-day sales professionals in mind, a lifesaver for those struggling to meet sales quota. It's user-friendly, ensuring even a novice can use it effectively. We're here to ensure you get the benefit from this technological marvel and help you master it. Our journey starts with A for account management. This is a tool for businesses of all sizes. It keeps a record of client interactions and plays a crucial role in customer relationship management. Account management is like a diary, documenting every customer conversation, commitment, and concern. It ensures that your team doesn't miss any interaction and no issue or opportunity slips unnoticed. The goal is to satisfy customers and increase loyalty. It prepares you to anticipate customer needs, respond quickly, and adapt with foresight. It's about creating a meaningful dialogue with your clients and always being one step ahead. Moving on to B for business process flows, a high-speed dynamic feature that has the potential to revolutionize your business operations by automating sales processes. The traditional sales process can be labor-intensive and time-consuming, laden with opportunities for human error. Managing everything manually, from contacting a potential client to ensuring the deal materializes, can be challenging. But business process flows is here to combat these troubles. By utilizing this feature, you save time and minimize error risk. It's having a GPS for your business. Just as a GPS navigates you through traffic, this feature guides you through each step of the sales process. Imagine a detailed roadmap designed for each deal, guiding you from initial contact to the final stage of closing. It adds clarity to complex processes and ensures smooth operations. Using this tool, you streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and divert your focus to other critical areas of your business. It's akin to having a strong ally, always ready to ensure smooth operations. That's the power of business process flows. Fast forward to Z for Zoom integration. In today's digital era, remote work tools are indispensable. The ability to connect virtually is a necessity. Zoom integration is a key tool that enhances this interaction. It allows scheduling and joining meetings directly from your Dynamics 365 sales dashboard. This eliminates the need to switch between applications and reduces errors. In essence, Zoom integration streamlines your workflow. In a nutshell, Zoom integration makes your workflow smoother and more efficient. These are just a few examples of what Dynamics 365 Sales provides. It's constructed to meet all your sales needs and offers key analytics and insights to propel your success. Designed as a comprehensive platform, Dynamics 365 Sales is complete with robust CRM capabilities, advanced analytics, and a plethora of features designed specifically to support sales professionals. It offers a wide range of tools covering everything you need for sales, from account management, lead generation, opportunity management, to Zoom integration. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and expertise to harness the full potential of this dynamic platform. We want you to be fully equipped to navigate the digital sales landscape with Dynamics 365 Sales. Are you ready to undertake this transformative learning journey with us? If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell to stay updated on new episodes and content. This is the first step in your journey to becoming a Dynamics 365 sales expert. Stay tuned for our first episode, A for account management, where we will delve deeper into effective account management strategies. Persistence is key in this journey, so keep pushing forward. Follow us on our social media channels for even more updates and exclusive content. We truly believe that continuous learning and growth are the keys to success in this ever-changing digital world. Therefore, we invite you to stay connected and continue to learn and grow with us. Until next time, keep learning.